Have you ever dreamed of a world where nature paints its grandest masterpieces and wildlife roams free in breathtaking splendor? Welcome to the extraordinary wilderness of Alaska. In this captivating journey, we will unveil the 10 most spectacular things you can see in Alaska. Click on the subscribe button and brace yourself for a roller coaster of awe-inspiring beauty, from towering peaks to untamed creatures, as we embark on an Alaskan odyssey like no other. 10. Wrangell Street Alias National Park. In the heart of the mountain kingdom of North America, where the Chugach, the Wrangell, and the Street Alias mountain ranges converge, you will discover the vast wonder of Wrangell Street Alias National Park. This wilderness gem stands as the largest national park in the U.S., offering adventure seekers a paradise. With informative visitor centers and ranger stations, you can start your journey. But the real magic lies off the beaten track. Glacier hiking trails and overnight camping beckon, while hunting, fishing, mountain biking, and kayaking add to the thrill of this incredible natural playground. 9. Anchorage. Nestled in the heart of Alaska, Anchorage, though not the capital, reigns as the state's largest city. It's a bustling hub, where nearly half of Alaska's residents find their home, and the economic pulse of the last frontier. What makes Anchorage truly unique is its proximity to wilderness. In just a short 30-minute drive, you're in the Alaskan wilds. Start your Anchorage journey with a visit to the Anchorage Museum of History and Art, the Alaska Wildlife Conservation Center, or the Alaska Native Heritage Center. Then hit the Seward Highway, leading to Potter's Marsh for captivating birdwatching, or embark on an adventure along the scenic Tony Knolls Coastal Trail. 8. Ketchikan. Located at the southernmost tip of Alaska lies the picturesque jewel, Ketchikan, often the first enchanting port for cruise ships embarking on northern voyages. This coastal gem, cradled at the foot of Deer Mountain, boasts a treasure trove of attractions. You can explore the Totem Heritage Center, wander through the Tongass Historical Museum, or delve into the mysteries of the Southeast Alaska Discovery Center. For a delightful step back in time, stroll the historic Creek Street, once a bustling red light district, now a charming and quieter district brimming with its original historic allure. But Ketchikan is not just about its past. It's a hub for thrilling outdoor escapades. Dive into guided day tours, whether you fancy salmon fishing, hiking through the magnificent Tongass National Forest, or soaring through the treetops on a ziplining adventure. 7. Glacier Bay National Park. In what is known as the Panhandle of Alaska is the Glacier Bay National Park, a world-famous haven for glacier enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. Here, nature's wonders are on grand display, from towering glaciers to captivating wildlife. Kayaking is the ultimate way to explore this natural wonderland, allowing you to cover vast distances while basking in the stunning scenery. You can easily rent kayaks or join guided tours for a more immersive experience. Bartlett Cove, a gateway to the park, offers hiking trails that wind through and around ancient glaciers. Muir Inlet and the awe-inspiring Johns Hopkins Glacier are two must-visit, highly photographed gems within the park, with Muir Inlet being a tranquil haven, free from the buzz of motorized boats. 6. Homer. For nature enthusiasts and avid anglers, Homer is a non-negotiable stop on your Alaskan adventure. Nestled on the captivating Kenai Peninsula, Homer proudly wears its title as the fishing capital of Alaska. But it's not just about fishing. It's a gateway to a multitude of national parks. In Homer, the options are as diverse as the landscapes. Stroll along the shore to reach the iconic Homer Spit, or embark on a scenic drive up Skyline Drive, offering awe-inspiring vistas. For wildlife lovers, Kachemak Bay State Park is a paradise with its mountain goats, bald eagles, sea lions, humpback whales, and majestic black bears. And then there's the unforgettable halibut fishing experience. Day-long trips promise an impressive catch, with local restaurants more than happy to prepare your dinner. Homer is a slice of Alaskan paradise you won't want to miss. 5. Juneau. Nestled in the heart of Alaska, the charming capital city of Juneau unfolds as a major port for cruising adventures. It boasts iconic landmarks, including the Alaska State Museum, the Alaska State Capitol, and the tranquil Shrine of Street Therese, inviting visitors to explore its rich history and serene beauty. For a bird's-eye view of Juneau, hop aboard the Mount Roberts Tramway, where you can venture onto hiking trails that offer breathtaking panoramas of the city. Quench your thirst at local breweries or join brewery tours to add some warmth to a chilly day. Front Street is a delightful treasure trove, lined with souvenir shops and local restaurants, where you can savor regional cuisine. Juneau is a captivating gateway to Alaska's wonders. 4. Mendenhall Glacier. A stone's throw from Juneau lies the majestic Mendenhall Glacier, a colossal natural wonder that gracefully carves into its own pristine lake. Your options for experiencing this glacier are as varied as the ice formations themselves. For a more leisurely encounter, a shuttle ride gets you up close to the glacier, while a helicopter tour unveils the grandeur of its sheer size from above. Adventurous souls seeking a challenge can tackle the Mendenhall Glacier West Glacier Trail, a demanding hike offering unparalleled photo opportunities. And don't miss the Mendenhall Glacier Visitor Center, housing informative exhibits about the glacier, along with several viewing platforms. It's an Alaskan gem waiting to be explored. 3. Kenai Fjords National Park. Stepping into Kenai Fjords National Park is like a time-travel journey to the Ice Age. Glaciers and ice caps still reach out to touch the ocean's edge, crafting breathtaking, almost otherworldly landscapes. Half of the park remains shrouded in ice all year round, giving rise to deep fjords carved by the relentless forces of water. These fjords are bustling hubs of aquatic life, offering a front-row seat to migrating whales and a mesmerizing avian spectacle as birds swoop down to snatch fish from the water. Given the icy terrain, many choose guided day tours to explore Kenai Fjords National Park, as accommodations within the park are limited. Prepare to be mesmerized by the wonders of this frozen wilderness. 2. Katmai National Park. Situated in the picturesque southwestern Alaskan wilderness, you'll discover the stunning Katmai National Park, conveniently located near Homer and Kodiak Island. At its core lies the awe-inspiring Valley of 10,000 Smokes, a colossal ash flow left in the wake of the Novarupta volcano's fiery eruption in 1912. But Katmai's allure doesn't end with geological wonders. It's a wildlife enthusiast's paradise. Brown bears roam freely, feasting on the rich salmon runs, offering a mesmerizing sight for lucky onlookers. For anglers, the park is a dream come true, teeming with rainbow trout and salmon, creating a fishing haven that's hard to resist. Katmai National Park is a true Alaskan gem, where nature's beauty and untamed wildlife captivate the adventurous soul. 1. Denali National Park. Alaska's crown jewel, Denali National Park, beckons adventurers with its towering centerpiece, the legendary Denali, also known as Mount McKinley, the loftiest peak in the country. This protected wilderness showcases a mesmerizing tapestry of wildlife. Venture along the Savage River to encounter bears, moose, and elusive wolves. Find serenity at Wonder Lake or traverse Polychrome Pass on an unforgettable hike. The park offers myriad exploratory avenues, from thrilling whitewater rafting to backcountry camping beneath the star-studded Alaskan skies. Bus tours provide a climate-controlled and secure means to navigate the vast expanse. For a more intimate connection with nature, join ranger-led trail walks from the Denali Visitor Center, where educational exhibits enrich your journey. Denali National Park is a must-visit for those yearning to embrace the untamed beauty of Alaska. From the majesty of Denali to the ethereal northern lights, from playful otters to humpback whales breaching the surface, Alaska's beauty is unparalleled. As we conclude our thrilling adventure through the 10 most spectacular things you can see in Alaska, we hope you're as inspired as we are by the boundless wonders of this remarkable state. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our amazing channel to unveil more wanderlust journeys. Thanks for watching.